nurturing companies, young companies coming up in the startup world, and connect them with various key stakeholders in the environment. And what TIE ISB Connect has been doing primarily is providing guidelines to young startups, and also connecting them with investors, along with providing them mentorship. Most of you probably know what TIE does, but for the people who are not very sure about what TIE does, let me just give you a little background about TIE. TIE started out in Silicon Valley almost 20 years ago, and started by very successful entrepreneurs, Indian entrepreneurs, who saw that there were a lot of young people trying to start companies, and were kind of lost in their company building. And these successful entrepreneurs realized that being a guide to these young people actually goes a long way, and they started this organization, TIE. And in fact, I was one of the beneficiaries of this organization when I was in Silicon Valley almost 15, 20 years ago. And Kanwal Rekhi was my mentor, who guided me through my difficult process of building my company. And it was such a experience that clearly that was the value which TIE brought to the startup community. Quickly grew into a global organization. And today there are about 60 chapters globally, and TIE Hyderabad is one of the more active chapters. We are actually one of the fourth largest chapter in the TIE ecosystem, and we also been recently recognized as a finalist in the top 3 best performing chapters. And we were able to do all this primarily with the help of various stakeholders and various people who are willing to encourage entrepreneurship. And clearly ISB has been a great friend of TIE, and also have recognized the need for having interaction between investors, mentors, and the startup community. We do several events in order to make this happen. And TIE almost is currently doing one event a week in catering to the various needs of the entrepreneurs, young people. Either it could be a mentor shop, which happens every first Friday of the month, where we connect mentors on a one-on-one basis with the new companies who are needing help. And along with that, we do investor events where instant funding happens in some instances. We also do sector-based special interest group events. We did one recently on Mobitech. In fact, this happened just last Saturday. Like that, we cater to wide range of industries. One of the misconceptions about TIE is that we are primarily a tech-focused organization, and it is actually not true. In fact, we are a very diverse organization, and we want to actually bring in other industries as well. In fact, Agri-Tech was an event which we did, which was very successful, where we focused the new technologies about improving efficiency and productivity in the agriculture sector. Similarly, we have done many events in the in the healthcare industry, even in infrastructure. Last year we did a series of events based on smart cities, which covered pretty much all aspects of building a smart city.